Hi, I'm John Gerke. We're right here at Bona Fide headquarters, and today I'm going to show you how to change a PET keg in your keg cooler. To begin with, it's very simple. Open the door to your keg cooler, grab one of the kegs that you're going to change. In this case, we're going to remove a stainless steel keg and exchange it with a PET throwaway disposable keg. The keg system that's used is a Sankey D keg coupling system, which is very common for beer, kombucha, in this case nitro coffee. Simply grab the handle on the Sankey D keg coupler, pull up. That action shuts off both the product flow and the gas flow to the keg. Now this coupler is actually coupled to the keg much in the same way a 35mm camera lens is coupled to the camera body. Just a simple twist to the side and you'll see that it separates. Now it's pretty common to have a little bit of product that'll pool there inside that coupler. Just take a clean paper towel and dab it out a little bit. Dab the coupler. Generally speaking though, this is a food service, so you don't want to touch the surface with your hands. Always use a clean paper towel. Pull the empty keg to the side, grab your full keg, and set it down in the same position. Remove the plastic cover that comes over the keg coupler. That protects it from biological contamination. Again, put your Sankey D coupler fitting back in there. You'll see that the keg has these two little cogs that stick there. You're going to line the Sankey D coupler so those cogs fit into the little ramp there on the coupler. And that just fits in there. Make sure the coupler is even. You can wiggle around a little bit, make sure that it's flat and square to the keg. Then simply twist it into position until it locks. Once it's locked, simply push down the coupler handle and you'll hear the nitrogen gas, in this case, running into the keg and equalizing the pressure to whatever the pressure system is set at. Then simply put the keg back in the cooler. Make sure that the hoses are routed in such a way that they're not going to get crimped, and close the door. And you're back in the business of pouring your favorite beverage. In this case, this was a hibiscus tea. It's not uncommon during the course of this keg change, though, to get a bubble in the line. So the first thing you should do after you change a keg is carefully draw some product until that bubble goes through. You see it went through very quickly because there's just a few feet of line there. But that's how you change a container keg or a PET keg. There's a few different brands out there, but if they have the Sankey D coupling system, they all change out pretty much the same. Thanks for being with us right here at Bona Fide Nitro Coffee and Tea.